Ever pondered the role your cooking utensils play in the quality of your food? Today we're diving into the world of Ayurveda, an ancient health system from India, where not only the ingredients but also the tools used to prepare food are believed to significantly impact its nutritional value and energy. Firstly, one of the keystones of Ayurvedic cooking is the material of your utensils. Natural materials such as clay, cast iron, brass, or copper are highly recommended. Why, you may ask? These materials are believed to enhance the nutritional value of food and maintain its prana, or life force energy. In contrast, Ayurveda advises steering clear of non-stick and aluminum cookware due to concerns about chemical leaching and potential health risks. Next up, we have heat conductivity. Different materials conduct heat differently, thereby affecting the cooking process. Copper and cast iron, for instance, are champions at distributing heat evenly. Clay pots, on the other hand, are masters at retaining moisture and are perfect for slow cooking food. Achieving the right balance of heat conductivity ensures food cooks evenly, avoiding any instances of burning or overcooking. Energy transfer is another crucial factor. Ayurveda pays heed to the energy transferred from cooking utensils to food. Traditional materials like clay and cast iron are believed to infuse food with positive energy, enhancing not just its taste but also its nutritional properties. In contrast, modern materials are thought to possibly introduce toxins or disrupt the natural energy balance of the food. Then there's the issue of reactivity. Some materials, such as copper and aluminum, can react with acidic or alkaline foods, which can alter their taste and nutritional content. To preserve the integrity of the ingredients and prevent unwanted chemical reactions, inert materials like stainless steel or glass are a smarter choice. On the topic of cleaning, Ayurveda promotes utensils that are easy to clean and maintain hygiene. Non-porous materials like stainless steel and glass are preferred due to their smooth surfaces, which discourage bacterial growth and facilitate thorough cleaning. Finally, sustainability comes into play. Traditional cooking utensils made from natural materials are often more eco-friendly compared to modern alternatives. Supporting such practices aligns with Ayurvedic principles of harmonizing with nature and promoting overall well-being. In a nutshell, Ayurveda encourages the use of cooking utensils made from natural, non-toxic materials. These not only enhance the nutritional value, taste, and energy of food, but also minimize environmental impact. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, remember the wisdom of Ayurveda. The right utensils can contribute to a healthier cooking experience and support overall wellness.